Hey, today I'm coming at you with a video about everyday wig life. So we oftentimes have to do things like go to a dental appointment to get a cleaning or a filling, and we worry about our wigs and if they'll slide or slip. So I figured I'd use today as a way to talk to you about how I secure my wig for my dental appointments. So stay tuned. So today I have a cleaning at my dentist's office. So I'm on my way to see the hygienist. My name is Beth. I've been wearing wigs for approximately 8 years. I own an online wig boutique, and I also have this YouTube and a private Facebook group. You can find the links to those below. You can follow me. You can join our supportive community of wig wearing, mostly women. But today's talk is about going to the dentist. So I'll probably need x-rays today because this is, I think it's like my one a year or one every 6 months or whatever. So I'm wearing Hollywood by Main Attraction. This is like my new favorite this month anyway. I think I need to get another one before I take my trip to Florida. But at any rate, so back to the dentist. I will definitely have a cleaning. The dentist usually comes in and talks to you about your overall oral health, and x-rays. So I'll have to have my head in that thing, or they'll put the little things on my face. So I know that we often worry about the security of our wigs while we're doing things that are just a little bit more than our everyday life. So I wanted to do this video today so that I could show you, like, I'll drop different pictures when I'm in the dentist's office, you know, laying on the reclining chair that they have. I can't obviously do pictures while they are doing x-rays or during the cleaning. I don't know. I guess it depends on how into this they would be. But there are other scenarios out there that we worry about our hair staying still. So today, what I did to secure my wig was, I have a little bit of hair, so I used some Got2b freeze spray around the perimeter of my hairline on my hair. That helps to roughen up and make it just a little bit more sticky on your bio hair if you have bio hair. And then I put on a silicone wig grip, which I waited just a couple of seconds after I put the Got2b on. I kind of used my hand to like wave it just so it would get tacky. And then I put the silicone wig grip on top of the area that I had sprayed. I waited a couple more seconds, I sprayed my regular hair, and then I put my wig on. This one has a lace front, and you know, the bendable ear tabs, I'm making sure that those are secure, and it also has metal stays in the back at the nape. So I'll do an update video after I have my visits that you all can see whether anything happened while I was in the chair. I'll describe the feeling, if I felt like my wig was going to slip, if I need to take any other precautions moving forward. So if they put me in the machine that kind of spins and has the x-ray, I will mention that I'm wearing a wig because I want them to know, because I have like the metal stays in the ear tabs and in the back, and I don't know if that will interfere. So we'll see. I'll update you all when I get back from that appointment, and we'll talk about what other measures I could do moving forward if the wig was not secure. So I'll talk to you in a little bit. Hey guys, guys. So I am back after my dental appointment and wanted to give you the update. So first, the dental hygienist that gets this close to my face had no idea I was wearing a wig. She got really, really close to the lace line and was like, "What? That is not a wig." I'm like, "It is. It's a wig. I'm not taking it off, but it's a wig." She was shocked. And then, of course, it must have gone through the office because everybody was like, "Oh my God, I love your hair." And "Oh my God, it's so pretty," and blah, blah, blah. So that was fun and interesting. And they did do x-rays, and I will add those pictures at the end where you can see that I had the thing sticking out of my mouth. Like, she was all in and around my face. She wasn't being careful. I didn't tell her about the wig until after she had done all of that. Obviously, when you go to the dentist, you have to lay back in that chair that has like the little rounded thing. So I was trying to make sure my head was in there properly. So I was moving it around. I needed to be comfortable because I knew I was going to be laying there for 45 minutes. And in addition to that, the dentist then came in and was like looking at, "Okay, you know, keep an eye on this spot. You have no cavities. You're doing great. See you in 6 months." So overall, it was a really positive experience. And I know that when you're a new wig wearer, you're nervous to wear your wig out and about. So how did I secure my wig so that it didn't move? I'll show you that right now. So I'm taking my wig off, right? I had my wig grip, and I had Got to Be Glued freeze spray on. And I have a silicone wig grip. So how did I secure my wig? This is how. I have very little bit of hair. I take Got to Be Glued, is what it says. This is a blasting freeze spray, spike cement finish, screaming hold is what it says. Best stuff ever. So I go right around where the wig grip is going to sit. And I just kind of let it dry for, I don't know. Sorry, that was my mouth. Make all kinds of noises. So I let it dry just a little bit to get tacky. And then I take my silicone wig grip. If you have silicone wig grips, of note, some people think that both sides are the same, but they're not. If you have one that's decent, one side has shorter nubs, these little nubby things that hold on to your head. So if you have a head sensitivity, you might want to put the shorter nubbies on the inside. Then the other side has slightly longer ones. That's the one I use when I go to the dentist. So I put this on my head and I lay it over the area that I just put the Got to Be Glued on, right? There is some a little bit above, which is fine because that's going to help my hair get tacky, because the enemy of wigs is clean, smooth, not rough hair. You want to put dry shampoo on there. You want to put, hairspray on there. You want to put the Got to Be freeze spray on there. Anything that's going to make it feel rough, because the grip needs something to hang on to. So I put that on. And then I put on my wig by Main Attraction. I love this wig. This is my new favorite. So this one is Hollywood. And I just wanted to show you the cap construction so that you could see. Like, I didn't bring these in anymore, but I could have. If I felt uncomfortable, I could have brought them in a little further for a little tighter grip. But I felt like my wig grip was going to be secure enough to hold it, and it was. So I then put my wig on. I adjusted my ear tabs, and I pulled this back to my 4-finger height, and that was it. When I went, I just kind of flipped my hair like that, and I laid down into the thing, and I did take pictures of me there in the dental office. But I want to encourage you to Just step outside your comfort zone just a little bit when it comes to things of that nature. If you're going in for a medical procedure or any medical testing, it is advisable that you bring a cap of some kind if you would be uncomfortable without your wig on, and to notify the person that is doing the testing that you are wearing a wig, and they will let you know if it's okay to wear them in, because some of them do have the metal stays in the ears and at the nape, and it may not be, you know, copacetic with the machinery that's running. You don't ever want to interfere with your medical testing. But like for the dentist, I mean, I said, am I going in the big machine? And she said, no, it's just right here. So I was like, she didn't need to know. And it didn't show up on my mouth x-rays, you know? So like I said, when I told her, she was shocked that it was a wig. This is like one of the best lace lines I've seen, and the price points are really good. So if you love this wig and want one, you can do a pre-order. I currently have in my group, I'm doing a pre-order at open box clearance pricing. This one is Hollywood in the color Sunflower. That lace line is like really great. My forehead is a little shiny from that spray, but normally it doesn't look like that. But yeah, my name is Beth. I own a wig boutique, online store, and a private Facebook group that you can be a member of. You can also follow me on Facebook. All of my details are below in the description box, as well as the details on this wig. I'll put a link to the freeze spray on like Amazon. I'm not an affiliate right now, so it'll just be a link to somebody else's. And also for the wig grip, the silicone one, and all of the links to my shop, my Facebook group, and my personal Facebook page. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me for the I Dare to Wear My Hair to the Dentist. It was fine. Really, it was fine. So just be prepared is all I say for TSA and whoever, because you just never know who's going to be like, hey, you have to take that off. All right, guys, take it easy. Have an awesome day.